So hi everyone, today we're making Stroopwafel Gelato because the Tulip Festival's coming and we're getting into the swing of spring and yeah, I don't know what else to say.
Let's just make it.
So first we start with the base, which is your milk, your cream, we've got sugar, skim milk powder and dextrose, and then we've got our base, which and then we blend it all and that brings it all together. And that'll then go into the pasteurizer and it'll pasteurize. And that's basically the base of every gelato.
Yeah. Blend away. And then you just pour it in there.
Yeah. So this is the pasteurizer, and this will warm it up and it churns it as well. It kind of mixes it and it makes sure that everything's incorporated together. It's a bit like when you're baking a cake, it's like the whisking part.
Yeah.
It's like the important part. Set that going, and that pasteurizes to 85 degrees. So we just wait till that gets to 85 and then it'll start annoyingly beeping at you.
It's like your alarm in the morning.
Yeah. So just half each dosage of the pancake and the caramel.
Okay.
And then that's what this nice mess is.
It smells nice.
It smells like creme caramel.
And that puts all the flavour in.
Yes, that's pancake, which will give you the waffle taste, and then the caramel dolce latte, which is like a really dark caramel.
And that's
that
going to
give that should give like the Stroopwafel caramel flavour.
Oh, lovely.
It just smells nice actually. I get a different spatula.
So then, do you just put this in with the plain ice cream?
Yeah. So that's pasteurised.
Yeah.
So that drops down to the churning part. So where it freezes it and it churns it. So then we put a little bit of the hot milk in with this, just so it's easy to, when you're adding it, it just makes it a lot easier when you're adding. Smells even better now.
Oh, it does. And does that just make it blend better?
It just makes it incorporate a bit easier because it's got to go down this tiny hole. So it just makes it easier to fit down the hole. And then I'll start. So that's starting to churn. So that's pulling it down whilst it's churning it. And then you just pop your base in. Get it all in.
Waste not, want not.
And then we wait till that gets to about -11, -12. Sometimes goes to -13, it depends how soft it is.
Yeah.
So now we just wait. Waffles from the shop. Don't tell the shop. And then I've got toffee moo, which is like a really nice, show you, it's like a really nice caramelly fudgy toffee. A bit like the centre of a Stroopwafel. And that's what's going to get rippled in the gelato. And then the Stroopwafels are just going to go on top to decorate.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you going to put some of the toffee on top as well?
Yeah. Yeah, we'll shape it all, put the Stroopwafels on, and then we'll set it a little bit, and then we'll put the toffee on when it's frozen a little bit, and it'll stick to it a little bit better.
Yeah. Lovely. Oh, that's like heaven. Look who's turned up just as we're having the Stroopwafels. Again.
She's annoyingly leaving. She's ready.
He's ready.
Let it down a bit so that's lemon.
I think this bit's like the satisfying bit.
Yeah.
So, do you mind with your videos?
Very Stroopwafel colour.
Oh, it is. It's like a light gold.
Yeah. Alright, let's go ripple. My office. Alright, I'm gonna ripple toffee.
Oh, look at that.
Ready with it. Next layer. More caramel.
Oh, that's the money shot.
That's what she said. Please move that. Sit back right, giggling. Steady on now. Right, just top it up a bit.
Last bit.
Half bit. Told you that bait was annoying.
You just doing what I do in my car and just ignore it.
Yeah. Exactly what I'm gonna do.
The ice cream's still flowing, it's fun.
Ignore the beep.
I think we need an oil change.
Right. I'll try a bit.
Go on, try a bit, Ted.
You're giving me that as if I'm just going to lick it.
There you go.
Oh, no, that's very uncouth.
Oh.
Oh, Ted. Thought you were from Grimsby.
I thought you were from Grimsby.
Oh, that is very good.
What notes are you detecting?
I'm detecting a bit of sloop, a bit of waffle. No, very good. I'll take that.
Alright, this bit's purely decorative, so this is just to make it look nice. tidy the sides. And there
Look at that. It's like you've done this before.
we have bits of waffle. Delicious. The more the merrier.
Oh yeah, whack it on there.
She's still beeping.
Reckon it needs a bit there.
Yeah. There's absolutely loads, so you can go wild.
Oh,
Voila.
look at that. And then does it just need to chill a bit before you do the topping?
We'll chill it a bit, chill out for a bit. And then we'll add toffee.
Exciting. There we go.
Uno memento. Yeah, there we go. Right, so that's chilled for a bit. So that just gives it a bit of a crust. I know it sounds gross, but it gives it a bit of a crust, so it's just hard enough. So when you pour something at room temperature on it, it's not going to melt straight off. It's going to stick to it.
How cold is that freezer?
It is currently minus 39.
Oh my god.
That is pretty cold. So we're going with caramel. Just put it all around. Oh, that's good enough.
Look at that.
Stroopwafel.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!